So here I have the samples for the light and medium duty trash bags suitable for the EU and US market. For the EU market, we can make from small roll like this, from 12 liter up to big roll like this, 60 liter. And we can make them in different color, like you can see, from white to yellow to purple. And for the US, we can make from 7 to 8 gallon up to 48 or 56 gallon. They are very suitable for the bathroom or the kitchen or restaurant for the big roll like this. And they are very light, very light, very convenient. So you can put in your pocket or in your counter very easily. And they are also very strong. You can see the ceiling, the bottom ceiling here is very strong. It cannot break. And I will test the bigger sizes. This one is for the US, 48 gallon. You see the tearing here, very easy to tear off. Also very strong, doesn't break at all. And we can make them with core like this or without core. And we can make them with scent or without scent. Up to the customer to add the scent to remove the odor from the trash.